part A, this lesson 5, and we're going to talk about a problem where we have to do the 5-number summary before we kind of do a box and whisker plot. So that's basically finding the max, the min, and all the quartiles, Q1, Q2, and Q3. So let's take a look at an example here like you would see in the lesson. So this is a data set. Now, I've already put the data set in order from least to greatest. If yours is not ordered from least to greatest, that will be your first step. But I don't want to take the time to waste in the video to do that. So this is a data set already from least to greatest. Putting it in least to greatest makes it easy to find the max and the min. So those are already identifiable right here and here. So we've got our minimum of 53. We've got a max of 73, and we've got 2/5 of this already done. So now all we have to do is define the quartiles, and we're done. My suggestion is always to find the median first. So that is actually what you should do. So there's a couple ways to find the median. We have 12 numbers here, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means that there's going to be 2 numbers in the middle when we find the median. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means that these 2 numbers right here should be the middle numbers. Now, we can figure that out by counting. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. So how do we find the median when we have 2 numbers? Well, this is a real simple thing. So we're doing Q2 here. Q2, to find the median, we're going to add those 2 values together. And we're going to divide by 2. Now, this is an easy example here because the numbers are only 1 unit apart. So that's going to be 65.5 for the median. Yes, it's okay if it's 6. So now how do we find the quartiles? Now, because this is an even set, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line right there, and that's going to separate our data into 2 equal sets of numbers. Let me just erase that dotted line. So we're going to draw that line right in between those 2. That's where our median is at 65.5. So that means I've got 2 equal sets of data. There's 6 numbers there, and there's 6 numbers there. So I need to find the median of each section. The median of this lower section right here, that's going to be Q1, and the median of this upper section right here, that's going to be Q3. So we're going to do the same thing we kind of did to find the median. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. And so that means the median of this set of data will be between these 2 numbers. So for Q1, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my numbers, 58 plus 61, then I'm going to divide by 2. And if you're not sure, please don't miss this because you're not adding and subtracting right. Pull out your calculator and find this value. So it's going to be 58 plus 61 divided by 2. And so that means that my lower quartile, my Q1 value for this set will be 59.5. And so now I'm just going to do the same thing to find Q3. I'm going to take this upper data, and I'm going to find the 2 values that are in the middle because there are 6 numbers. So 1, 2, 3. So that means these 2 numbers are the middle numbers. Now again, this is an easier one because the numbers are only 1 unit apart. So Q3, we're going to add 69 plus 70. We're going to divide by 2, and that's going to end up being 69.5. And so there is your 5-number summary for this set of data, finding the max, the min, and all the Qs, Q1, Q2, and Q3. So I hope this helps you with this problem in your lesson. If you still struggle with this as you're working, please let me know by sending me a teacher message or making an appointment for a session.